everyone. Through the activity, I discovered that I sometimes rush to share my own ideas, but when I slow down and really listen, I can connect more meaningfully with others. Active listening show me that I don't always need to give a solution, just being a present and powerful. One thing I practiced during the activity listening session was paraphrasing what other person said, like reflecting their feedbacks back to them, and I also use small alternatives such as nodding and saying I understand, which is made the conversation flow more naturally. The difference it was made clear the additionally that the person I spoke with her, I opened up and I felt more comfortable sharing her thoughts. I realized that by the listening with the empathy, and I create a safe space for her and to express herself. Overall, the experience I helped me see that activity listening builds the trust and the skill I want to keep practicing in my daily life.